Hi dolls, Tisha Monique back again, and today I have another quick video for you dolls, and this is all about deep skin makeup products that you need this summer. Most would say girl friendly makeup, but I think that the products that I have for you dolls have amazing shade ranges to where it's not just for black girls, it's for anybody, and it's all inclusive, so any of you dolls can definitely pick up these products because they have an amazing shade line which is going to your shade match. Okay, so I wanted to just share with you dolls some products that I've picked up, that I've tried out, and that I've been loving so far this spring, summer, and that I think that you will love too. They're not highly known or highly talked about, so I feel like these would be things that are low key but are great enough that you would definitely want to add them to your makeup routine. So if you're interested in seeing these amazing deeper skin but all skin tone friendly products that I have for you dolls, then just stay tuned. Okay dolls, so I will just hop right into it because I wanted this video to be really short and sweet with you dolls. The products that I'm wearing today to get this look, to get this beat, and I've had this on all day. It has been sitting well, it hasn't been wearing off, it's just been eating, as you dolls can see. Wearing on my face today is Black Opal. And this is not a very known or talked about brand, but I think that they are amazing. They've been around for years. This is Black Opal, and this is in the shade 540 Raw Chocolate. It looks like this. Now, I did pick this up from Ulta, so it is readily available. If you know Black Opal, you know that this has been around for years and years and years. You normally can find it, and you still can find it in your local beauty supply store. It always has been around for a year, but they have repackaged, and when I saw the packaging at Ulta, it's what caught my eye because I'm like, oh, repackaging, maybe reformulation. So I tried it, I really loved it. I'm wearing it today, like I said, and it has been holding up really well. It's sitting on the face really nicely. It dried really matte, really matte. I would say it is minimal coverage. It's not a full coverage, so you do have to build it up if you like a fuller coverage. But if you're looking for something that is going to be sweat proof, that's going to stay put during the summertime, I highly recommend this. And it was like $12, so very affordable, really good quality. I would say I would compare it to like a Maybelline, the Matte and Poreless, or any of the other drugstore brands. I think that this is a really good foundation, and it also boasts that it's pore perfecting. This is the only shade that I've tried, but I love the payout on it and the quality is amazing. I did pair it today with the Filter Rich 27 is my shade in the Morphe, and this is another fantastic foundation. I think this one was like $15, which is still a great price point compared to some of the higher end brands where they're 40 and 50 bucks, like the Fenty Beauty, etc. So these two are definitely great quality, but also they are affordable. So I want to recommend those. Another drugstore brand, and this is not just a drugstore haul, but these are just some really great slept on, I think, foundations that are amazing, especially for the summer, for that extra coverage. If you're in a humidity climate or anything like that, the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, I've always been raving about this for years. I'm in the shade 355 Coconut, and you can find this just about anywhere at any drugstore, Walmart, etc. And this works amazing. It looks really great on the skin. It sets really well. It holds other products like concealer on top of it or setting powders, etc. Amazing. This has great color range, so you definitely can find your shade in these here as well. So check these out if you haven't already. The product, like I was saying, was that Black Opal. This is a setting powder for it, and I was looking for a darker setting powder to set my foundation. Of course, a setting powder for the brighter areas of my face, like you dolls can see here, but just after I put my foundation on, I like to set that in place just to make sure that it has that staying powder. So I've liked this. I've worn it today. This is the Black Opal True Color, and this is the shade 400 Medium, and I picked this up from Ulta as well, and I'm impressed so far. It does have that sifter as far as like how it comes out, and it's just like Laura Mercier or any of the other high-end brands, and I think this was like $12 or $13 as well. Tilbury, speaking of setting powders, I've been obsessed with this one. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is the number 3 or 10 color. I like to set my highlighted areas with this, so it has been really gorgeous. I'm wearing it today for that purpose, and this is also just a really pretty packaging for on the go. that I've been loving, and it looks like this. So as you guys can see, this is what I'm wearing, and I think that it really does give like a really seamless airbrushed finish effect on the skin, which I love, and I think that you dolls will love as well. Now this one was a little pricier. This one's from Sephora, and I think it was maybe $40. I'll look it up and link it below, but I was able to get this during the Sephora sale, so it was discounted, and I think it came out to be like closer to 20 something, or either like 31, 32. Oh, you guys, also this Fenty Beauty, the packaging is so clutch, it's so fetch. This is Cheeks Out. This is the contouring cream. This is in the color Toffee Please. I think this has been so amazing. The packaging is gorgeous, but I used that just to carve out the cheekbones today, to contour under like my under here, under the neck, and then I also hit the high points of my face today. I love it. I've really been enjoying it. And I also will set that my Juvia's Place blush on top, which I love because this is a cream. I do set it with the powder, but I love the packaging. The way it's saying Fenty on the inside there, on the glass, on the mirror. I just think it's a really pretty packaging too, like for traveling, if you're on the go and you take this with you. I think it's just really, really pretty all around, like gorgeous packaging, gorgeous, flawless coverage, does what it's supposed to do. And it's good because it's got that plummy undertone, which I think is really good for us deeper skin tone. It's not gonna give like an ashy look like the other products do when it has like a brown or a black undertone, which can look a little ashy on the skin and not really dark enough to actually contour when you have deeper skin. So I really loved this when I saw it, and so far so good. I do have two products from Juvia's Place. One is Rebel Honey palette. This one is great for eyeshadows, of course, for deeper skin tone. The Chocolates palette by Juvia's Place, and I got these both from Ulta. I think this one is really good, and it's just 8 up, so I don't know that I want to show you dolls the inside. Boop, boop. But I love this one too. I think it's got some really great colors in there that you can use for eyeshadow or for contouring, which I have done both. It also has a couple of shimmer shades in there too, which I've hit pan on this. I do have a new one, but I'm being lazy. I don't want to get up and get it. The lip that I'm wearing today is the Anastasia, the liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Malt. I think this one is really pretty. I believe I picked this up from Ulta. I've had it a while though, so I pulled it out again today, but I think it's just a really pretty complementary color for deeper skin tones, but any skin tone. And of course they have a lot of shade range here, but you can definitely find a different shade, and it sets really amazing as a liquid lipstick. I love it. You should know that I swear by the lashes that I'm wearing today, and these are definitely affordable. I always get mine in a pack of 3. These are the IMV 3D lashes, and this is the number 111. Okay, so that's the number there, KPEM 111. I'll have it all linked below, but I love these. I do double stack these lashes, so today and always I'm wearing 2 pairs. So I stack them together first, and then I apply them, and I really love them. Like, this is my signature look. I don't know that it's giving like a lash extension look. It's just more of a full look, and I love them. These are strip lashes. They last amazing, and I just stack up on these. Anytime I'm in the beauty supply, I will get these and just make sure that I have them. I think they're like $7 a pack, but you get 3 pairs, and or you can order them offline too. So I'm obsessed with these, and these are like my go-to lashes because they just always give. I like the look of them from the side, from the front, and they're not too long, but they're just long enough that they give like that dramatic effect that I love. Just wanted to re-emphasize the MAC Fix Plus. I know that this gets lost a lot because there's so many like setting sprays and such, and this is not a setting spray. I use this if my skin is too matte, or after I put on, you know, my setting powders and stuff. I think that this just adds back in a little bit of moisture, a little bit of a mix of oil and water that allows the skin just to look more skin-like and to have a natural finish, so that you don't look too done up or too powdery or too cakey, I would say, or too dry. So I really like this one. I know that a lot of people are more so focused on like the set and getting things really, really matte and staying in place, but I do that too. I like the Morphe setting spray for that, but then I also like to spray this after and kind of before I put on my setting powders and stuff. I like to also come back in. Okay, dolls, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss anything when it comes to these videos as I am cranking them out. Be sure to tune in for next time, and I love you guys. I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye.